Okay, so we're gonna clean out the refrigerator. Underneath here, on every refrigerator, there's a vent that comes off. And every refrigerator is different. You just gotta figure out how yours comes off. But usually they just pop off. So that there's just a little plastic thing here that pops off here. And then you can get under there and clean the dust. So we'll clean the dust from the front. Then we'll pull it away from the wall and clean the dust from the back.
And you have to lay down on the floor to see under there because it's only 3 inches from the floor.
Okay, so here's the refrigerator from the front. You can see all that stuff hanging down here. Looks like there's some type of tray here. Probably catches water, but I don't think you could get it out of there.
Yeah, I've never had it out when I could get down on the floor real good.
Yeah, there's definitely a drip tray there.
Only in that one little side.
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead, turn it on.
It's got a screw in.
Okay, we're gonna move the refrigerator. And she's telling me there's two legs down here that you screw up so it'll roll.
It's got to be way under there. You probably can't even see them.
I don't see nothing. There's a lot of cat hair down here.
You know, that's because you can't clean under it. It's so close to the floor. Could you even see them?
Yeah, but there's no way that you could get up under there. Okay, we're cleaning the refrigerator. Okay, so here's the after. I cleaned it up the best I could. Probably if you had some compressed air, you could blow the rest of it out. But I'd still be gentle with all the wires. You don't want to do any damage. So. Okay. And then on ours, it's just a piece of cardboard that goes back here. Piece of cardboard and 3 screws at the top. Okay, so I got it vacuumed out the best I could.
And they didn't make it so you could clean it.
And now we're going to put the front cover back on. It just snaps on.
Terrible inventors. Works better if you open up the door and put it on. You can see what you're doing.
They don't want you to clean it because they want it to burn out.
Yeah, it'll burn out, and then you can't. Then you got to get a new one.
So every refrigerator is different, so you just have to figure out how yours goes on and off. So is there an up and down on this? It looks like they're both the same.
Yeah, it kind of just snaps in there.
Yeah.
That's why I said with the door open you can see it. Otherwise,
Okay.
I never could get it on there without having the door open.
Okay. So a little compressed air might work.
Then you blow the dirt all over the house.
Yeah, well, you got to clean it out. So I'd say clean it out at least once a year because that was only, what, 2-3 years worth of dirt?
I don't know how old it is. I'd have to get the book out.
It hasn't been very long. It's more or less a new refrigerator. And you saw the dirt that built up there. So, okay, see ya.